Hello there, it's Alan McGillivay from Alan McGillivay Real Estate, Surfers Paradise. Well, the Commonwealth Games now has finished and everyone had a wonderful time and enjoy all the athletes and their performances. The weather's very good up here on the Gold Coast. People are holidaying here, New Zealand and all around Australia actually, and all around the world. Really, they're holidaying here, enjoying the weather and having a wonderful time. With the weather, it allows them to into the beach. They enjoy the restaurants, the theme parks, and they really do have a wonderful time while they're here. Well, real estate's still good buying here. We're still cheaper than the Sydney and Melbourne, so people can buy up here after selling their properties in Sydney or Melbourne and have money over. So it's a good time to be buying here in the Gold Coast, and of course Surfers Paradise, that's where we operate. Now, if you're thinking of selling your property, where you can go to our webpage, www.alanmcgillivray.com.au, or permanently letting. We handle only permanently letting. We don't handle holiday letting. So if you're thinking of doing that and you want an appraisal of how much you think your property would be either rented for or sold. So if you'd like to give us a ring, certainly contact us. And don't forget, if you're here on the Gold Coast, call in, say hello. We'd love to see you.